So it seems meme coins have been doing well recently, and I've been getting a lot of people asking me in my comment section to make new videos about meme coins. And of course, I've made some of the best videos on meme coins on this channel, and it made sense for them to ask me to make a new video about meme coins. So in this video, I'm going to cover the following things. 1, how you can spot meme coins before they actually start doing very well. 2, how you can track profitable traders wallet. I'm talking about wallets that have made insane money from meme coins, and then you can actually follow them as a signal to buy when they are buying and sell when they are selling. This is actually called on-chain tracking, and I'll be showing you how to do that in this video. And finally, I'll show you how you can trade meme coins, because there's been a lot of meme coins that have been doing really well recently, like on the Robinhood blockchain, like Cashcat, that ran from less than $4,000 market cap to over $200 million. So I'm going to show you how you can trade meme coins on Robinhood blockchain, Solana blockchain, DNB Smart Chain, and other blockchains. So this video is a comprehensive video on how you can get started with meme coins and start making money from meme coins right away. If you're interested in this kind of video, then make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. All right, so first, let's look at meme coins that have been doing well recently. If I go to Desk Screener, and then this is the home page for Desk Screener, and I filter based on market cap, you're going to see the first one right here is Anthem, which is currently sitting at $276 million market cap. I'm going to open it up, and you can see some of the details you need about Anthem. You can see it's currently sitting at $272 million market cap. Here's the liquidity. Here's the total trading volume, like the buying and selling in a day. This is how much they've been able to transact in the last 24 hours. Now, looking at this, you can see at some point it got to over $0.45. Now, I know it might be difficult for you to explain that in market cap. So if you want to see that very well, switch to market cap here, and you're able to tell at $0.45, I can see that was somewhere around $450 million market cap. Mind you, this coin was created 2 months ago, and you can see from here, on the 16th, you can see how it started from very tiny market cap. I'm going to make this bigger so you see that clearly. So you can see that right here, less than 37k market cap, $37,000, and it went up to over $450 million here. Right now, sitting at $271 million. And so many persons have made money from this meme coin. And if we go back to Desk Screener, you'll be able to see other meme coins that have been doing well. All right, so the next one you're going to see is OLY. Then you can see Cashcat, which is the popular one that got to, I think, over 200 million or thereabout. You can see it's currently sitting at $97 million. Other ones include Stonker Broker and the rest of them. You can see them, the list goes on and on. And now imagine if you're able to get into some of them very early, and then you held to like a very substantial amount in market cap, you'd have made crazy amount of money from it. Now, how do you spot these coins very early? There's several ways you can spot these coins, but let's start with the first way, which I actually use, which is tracking wallet on chain. So what that simply means is you're tracking the wallet of someone that you know that is a profitable trader, and then whenever he buys a coin, you can go and do further research about it, and then you can also choose to buy that meme coin based off that research. So if you want to do that, let's use Anthem for an example again. I'm going to open it up. So what you're going to do next is to click on top traders, and over here you would see people that bought. So this first person bought with $6.9 million and sold for $7.5 million. You can see other persons here that bought. Now, you won't be able to get the best result here just because the coin is over 1 month and this is 30 days. So it's not showing you the people that bought the earliest time, because if you look at the chart very well, you will see that as at 30 days ago, the coin was barely small. So you won't be able to get the people that bought very, very early. So how do you check it out? Well, what you're going to do is simple. Copy this contract address over here by clicking here. Then come to a platform like Axiom. If you want to sign up on Axiom, if you don't have an account, I'm going to leave my link in the description. So next, you're going to paste that contract address over here. All right, so this is Anthem on Axiom. All right, so over here, you come over to top traders, and you'll be able to see the top traders right here, the prices they sold, and all of those details. You'll be able to see it. Now let's look at for a more recent coin that's less than 30 days. I'm going to pick this one here that is just 1 hour old, which has its $3 million market cap. I'll open it up. All right, so for this one, you can see the coin here. They seem not to have a Twitter account and website and the rest of them. Seems to don't have all of their socials added there. You might be asking yourself, why do they have $20 million volume? Which means it's a coin that many persons are trading. You might want to look out for it by clicking on this and then searching for this on Twitter, and it will be able to show you if they have a Twitter account that possibly hasn't been updated on Desk Screener. And you can see a couple of persons are tweeting about it. You can see this first person, what WTF is high and why is it at $4 million? You can see a couple of persons are talking about. So it seems like it's Ansem, about Ansem that they created the token for, but I don't know. I'll just come back again and let's look out for top traders. That's the most important thing we're looking out for. Yeah, you can see this first person here bought with $1,500 and sold $78,000. Now look at the tokens he purchased. He purchased 30 million tokens and sold 30 million tokens, so you can easily see that. Next one, you can see he bought $5,000 and sold $60,000. And you can see a lot more persons over here. You can even see this one here that bought $500 and sold $18,000. Now this way you've been able to spot wallets that are early. What you can basically do is to click on this and it's going to open up the wallet for you. So you can see the wallet has $76,000 and these are the tokens it is holding. So I can basically copy this wallet and go to a platform like Axiom or any other one of my choice. There's also GMGN. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description. You can use that too very well. You can just paste the wallet address there, click on it, and it's going to open up the wallet for you. So you can see in the last 7 days, this wallet has made $75,000. You can see the win rate, which is 35% win rate, and you can see how much he's been making every single day. So it just feels like this particular day was the day he made the huge amount of money. Every other day it has been like $0 throughout. So it could be that this guy is an insider. That's why he was able to spot this and actually buy this particular token. So we might want to check out for another wallet. So let me go with that guy with $500. This one here. I'm just going to click on it. I'll get the wallet address. This is the wallet here. And let's go back to GMGN and paste it over there. Open it up. And you can see this one here has only made $16,000. I think majority of the days he has been on loss aside from this 1 to 3, but you can also see his win rate. So you can see today he made $21,000, but other days is like losses and then profit. So if I want to use this method to track all of these multiple wallets one by one, when you track them, what you can basically do is you can click on track wallet here, and now it is tracking it. So when you go to track, you'll be able to see the wallet you're tracking, and this is the wallet here. This is the one I'm tracking. You can add multiple wallets. It doesn't have to be one wallet, and you can see all of the trades he has been doing recently. If he wants to take a trade, and you're going to see the trade show up here very, very fast, and you can choose to do further research. You can see 1 hour ago, this is what he has been doing. Like he has been selling. This was when he bought, this was when he sold. So you want to basically do your research based on that. You can basically just stay here and then look at when he buys. You go ahead and do your research. That is if it is a very profitable wallet that's been doing well. You go and do further research about the coin before you actually buy. So you can use this method to pick any coin of your choice and any wallet of your choice. So just keep scanning to get the best wallet. Now the faster way you can do it finally, so you can search for the coin on here. So let's say I search for EYE. So this is the coin here. So you open it up and then you go ahead and click on top traders. You would be able to see the people that bought and then how much they actually sold. So you can see this one here, he bought with $400 something, sold this amount. So you'll be able to use this to find those wallets here, and you can just simply get the wallet off here and do further research and add it to your wallet you're tracking and stuff like that. This is basically how you can get the wallet on chain and then store it and then monitor their trade and follow what they're doing. And finally, if you don't want to stress yourself with tracking the wallet and you want to copy trade the wallet, just come over here, put in that wallet address again, open it up, and then you're going to click on wallet copy, and then you put in the amount you want to copy and all of those things. You'll be able to copy trade automatically whenever he buys a coin. But before you do that, make sure you've done thorough research with this analysis. Check out the wallet, how profitable it is, and check that it's not just one coin that he got lucky on. See that he has been able to make insane profit from like multiple coins on different days. Then that is how you're going to know if this person is a good trader or not. All right, so finally, let's go over to how can you trade these meme coins. For this, you can use any platform of your choice, but I'm going to use Axiom to make this part of the video. So there's been a lot of coins that have been doing very, very well, especially on Robinhood blockchain. So many coins have been doing. I've done videos around how you can trade on Solana before. So let me start with how you can trade meme coins on Robinhood, and after that I can show you the one on Solana and the rest of that. To do that, first of all, you need to fund money in your account. So I'm just going to click on deposit, select ETH, and blockchain is going to be Robinhood. So you're simply going to buy ETH, send it to this wallet before you can start trading right away. So if you're trying to deposit ETH on Robinhood, many of the exchanges do not allow you to do that, except few ones like OKX and a few other ones like that. So the faster way to do it is deposit another cryptocurrency here. You can just switch this to BNB, for instance, then go ahead and deposit BNB. Now once you do that, which you can see here, I just deposited somewhere around $49. Next thing you're going to do, click on this deposit and select convert. So you're going to convert that BNB from this straight to Robinhood ETH and click on max, then you convert it. Okay, so this is done, and you now have your fund should be under ETH. You can see it right here, $49 is there. All right, so now we can now take any trade of your choice. So let's go ahead and pick any coin from their screen. I'm just going to pick a random coin. So I'll pick the most popular one on Robinhood, which is Cashcat. So I'm just going to click on it. I'll copy the contract address. Then I'll go to Axiom and I'll paste that contract address right here. So you can see it here. I'll just click on it. It opens up. And I can pick an amount I want to buy. So I'll go over here and put in an amount I want to buy with. So let's say I wanted to buy with 0.01. So I'll just click on buy. And instantly you can see I just bought Cashcat. If I want to see the coin I'm holding, I can just come to position and you can see it here. I'm currently holding Cashcat, which I bought with $18. If I want to sell, same way I can just click on sell from here or click on sell from here. Click on 100% and click on sell. It's going to sell it for you right. This is basically how to trade it, and it's the same way you're going to have your fund in Solana. You pick any coin of your choice, click on buy, and it buys it for you instantly. Now for those that want to buy a particular meme coin very fast, so let's go to pause, which is kind of like where they have the newly created tokens for Robinhood. I'm not going to recommend this if you don't know what you're doing basically, but to do that you need to put in an amount you want to always use to buy for very fast. So quick buy amount, I'm going to do 0.01. So this is the amount it will always buy for me very fast. So if I pick any one of my choice, so this one for instance, so this one, just click on buy. You can see it has bought for me instantly. You can see it's moving up already, 1%, close to 2% profit. If I want to sell, same way, just click on sell and boom, I have actually sold. So that's basically how you can trade any meme coin of your choice on any of the blockchain, be it Solana, be it Robinhood, BNB Smart Chain. The same thing you're going to do. It's very easy. So this is all of it about this video. I really hope you've learned from it. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video.